So next we are moving on to the applications to problems on ages. Yes, so the statement will be father's age is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 children. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of ages of 2 children. Find the age of father. Yes. So what is the first step? We need to read the entire question carefully and find out the unknowns. So what are the unknowns here? Find the age of father. So father's age is one unknown. Yes. And what is the other unknown? Father's age is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 children, and there are 2 children over here which are also unknown, right? Whose ages are also unknown. So there are 3 unknowns here: father's age and 2 children's age. Yes, so we have identified all the unknowns. And what is the next step? We need to give names to their unknowns. Yes, so usually how many unknowns we will have in the statement problem? We will have 2 unknowns, right? But here in this case we have 3 unknowns, but still we will work out and check how to do, right? So let's give the names. Let X be father's age and let Y and Z be children's age. But finally, they are asking only the age of the father, not the children. Okay. Okay. So we have given the names, the unknown variables. Then what is the next step? We need to frame the equation. Yes. So let's read the first statement. Father's age is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 children. So we'll go word by word. Father's age. What is father's age? Father's age is X. Is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 children. Sum of ages means sum of ages of 2 children. What are the ages of 2 children? Y and Z. So sum of ages of 2 children will be Y plus Z. And we have multiplication sign. After multiplication sign, we have more than one term. So we need to put bracket. Right? So let's keep this as first equation. Now we'll read the second statement. After 5 years. So after 5 years means the father's age will also be increased by 5 and children's age will also be increased by 5. So you have to keep that in mind. After 5 years, his age, this means father's age. So X plus 5. Now the current age of father is X. So after 5 years, it will be X plus 5. So after 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of ages of the 2 children. So what will be sum of ages of 2 children after 5 years? So it will be Y plus 5, one children's age after 5 years. And other children's age will be Z plus 5. So sum of ages of 2 children. Yes. So twice the sum of ages of 2 children. So after multiplication sign, we have so many terms. So put a bracket. Yes. So let's simplify this. X plus 5 is equal to 2 into Y plus Z. 5 plus 5 is 10. Yes. So let's keep this as equation number 2. So we got 2 equations here and we can use either substitution or elimination method to find the unknowns. Okay. So usually we have 2 unknowns, right? Here in this case we have 3 unknowns, but we need to find only the age of father. So we need not worry about the age of the children. So if you observe here, we have Y plus Z here and this is also Y plus Z here. So let's assume Y plus Z as a single variable. Okay. Yes, so I'm going to use substitution method here and I'm going to consider this as a single variable. So what is the first step in the substitution method? We need to frame one variable in terms of another variable, right? We have to take an equation and we have to find one variable in terms of another variable. Yes. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the first equation. What is the first equation? X is equal to 3 into Y plus Z. Yes. So I'm going to find what is y plus z. Y plus z equal to x by 3. So what I said, I'm going to consider this as a single variable because we have y plus z here, y plus z here. So this is one variable and this is one variable, and we need this variable, right? We need this variable only, age of father. Yes. So I have found what is y plus z in terms of x. Yes. Now what will be the next step? We need to take the another equation and substitute the value of y plus z in this. Yes. So let's take the second equation. What is the second equation? X plus 5 is equal to 2 into y plus z plus 10. Yes. So let's substitute. Substitute y plus z equal to x by 3. So after substituting, what you will get? So in the place of y plus z, I am going to substitute x by 3. X by 3 plus 10. So x plus 5 equal to 2x. I am removing the brackets. 2 into x by 3 is 2x by 3. 2 into 10 is 20. So let's rearrange, bring all the unknowns to one side and constants to the other side. So x minus 2x by 3 comes to this side, becomes minus 2x by 3, and plus 5 to this side, 20 minus 5. So taking LCM, how will you solve this? We need to take LCM, right? Or cross multiplication. 1 and 3, LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So we need to make it as a common denominator. Yes. So 1, how will you convert this 1 to 3? 1 into 3. So numerator also into 3. 3x. And this 3 to 3 is into 1 only. So numerator also into 1. Equal to 20 minus 5 is 15. So 3x minus 2x is x. X by 3 equal to 15. So we get x is equal to 15 into 3, and that is equal to 45. So the father's age. So therefore the father's age is 45.